In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your shipping address on Temu. If you're looking to streamline or update your personal details on Temu, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring every step is clear and simple to follow. First, if you're not already on the Temu homepage, you'll want to start there. Open your web browser and navigate to Temu's main page. It's always a good idea to start from the homepage to ensure that you can find the navigation tools easily and access any features Temu has to offer swiftly. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the profile icon. Hover your cursor over this icon. This profile section is your gateway to personal settings and information where you can handle various preferences as it relates to your account. When you hover over the profile icon, a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled addresses and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can view all saved addresses currently associated with your Temu account. The address management system is designed to help you organize how and where you receive items you purchase through the platform. So being able to update or delete old addresses is critical to maintaining an accurate account profile. With your list of addresses visible, identify the specific address that you are looking to delete. Note which one you no longer need or which ones you plan on modifying or removing. Once you locate the correct address, you'll see an option labeled delete right next to it. Go ahead and click on this delete button. Now, before the address is permanently removed from your profile, Temu will prompt you to confirm your decision. This extra step just acts as a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions of your important information. When ready, confirm the deletion by clicking on the delete button again in the confirmation pop-up. This action will ensure that the address is removed from your account entirely. So be cautious and make sure it's the correct one you want to remove. And there you have it. Your unwanted shipping address should now be deleted from your profile on Temu. This simple process should help keep your account up to date and free from any outdated or incorrect information. Thanks for following along, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials on managing your Temu account efficiently.